Welcome to the mix, and on this beautiful day, we have Marcia on the mix. And she's speaking to this lady that called her phone and, was telling her that her boyfriend doesn't need her. And Marcia is explaining to the lady that, you know what, he wants me. And she gave examples and, things, reasons why she knows that he wants her. So, guys, go ahead and listen to the video, what she has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my friends, family, whatever you want to call yourself, have yourself a beautiful day. And remember to always keep your beautiful smile up on your face. No one else can take it away from you unless you give them the power to. And we are all God's given blessing. So continue to be that blessing and enjoy your beautiful day.
Your mother want me dicky. And your man no want you. Him want me. When I see him weekend, I go say him want me right in front of him. Say him want me. Yeah. See me say him dick turn up straight so. Say him want me. The way he want me as him see me. As him, anyway him see me. As him see me. A pair ass kiss me get. He want me. He want me to ask you. As me on the phone talking dick rise. Him want me. Me not ask you. He wants me. From me know that a man there, him always tell me say love me. First, at all times. Every bumble clock there. Me not ask you. In a text message and before him leave the phone. I love you, baby. Cause me and woman, me not talk them the word there unless me mean it. But sometimes me feel a little way, me have to just tell him back here. Cause me not tell nobody me start something else me love. So let me tell you something. Him want me. Him don't want you, bitchy. The way you so angry look like a fear ass man. A fear man. Oh, a fear man. That ugly fat bitch I take away your man. He told me that he's tired of the shit you got. He told me that your pussy is a little slack. I got your man and you can't do anything about it. He's coming at me about it. He's got about it. I've got your man and you can't do anything about it. He told me in a breathing pace. He told me that your pussy is slack. Yeah. Uh-huh. I need to play a lady song. You know me, you call me a cuss me for? The man they want me. I feel your blood clot man want me. Me not ask you. I saw me say. She blood clot ugly. I saw me say. She bumbo pussy blood clot ugly just like you. So good girl. Don't know dry out pussy girl we are called before from California. Go and sit down. Dash Belly Cemetery blood clot battery body girl. Go sit your ass down. You're in the body. Fuck you, bitch. We are call up the number for. Eh? Go suck your man. Your pussy down up here behind you get sexy now. Go sit your ass down and leave good up Marcia alone. We blood clot you call my phone number for me. I fuck your man. No, it's not your man. It sure ain't. I know 100% it's not your motherfucking man. So you don't need to call me and tell about your man don't want you. Him don't want you. From me and him I talk over almost a year and a half. No. There is not one fucking day me not see me get 2 days off and the 2 days off he spending with me. Out of the 2 days off he spending with me and me pick him up at night time from work if me there home. Yes. The 2 days off him off, I get them. You ain't getting them. So him want me. Me pick him up from work. Him want me. And when him off, the 2 days off, him spending with me. Where you fucking get? Him left your bitch. So we are telling about my man who want me for. Is that yours? Eh? That's what I said. Landlord blood clot ugly. And look like a them fucking little bang belly bullfrog. Look like a them black blood clot hog crayfish we living in the mud. In the bank inside the river. That's how she look. With the blood clot cranny egg them under them belly. That's how she look. Look like a them blood clot black hog crayfish. Ugly. You got a whole PP? You know me? That's what I said. You're the same thing. Bumbo clot whore. Dry out, done out. Congo worm pussy girl. You will call my phone. Go away. You better make sure so that blood clot number no register to a telephone company. Else me a send police to your ass yard. That's what I say. Ugly just like you. Ugly. You bitch. Me in my business, in a business place, I do my little business. All me, if people have to hear me, if people them top in the line and hear me a cuss. I keep laughing. Yes, me dear, I give it to that bitch, and I didn't care. I was in this business place right now. I'm right there, so me there. Right at the business place. Me just come out of the business place. Right there, so me in there. And the people have to hear me out. Me sorry I have to be unprofessional, but I have to done out the dirty girl. I was going to take no bullshit from you. You can't call my number and I go answer. You're crazy. Me have to done out the bitch. I didn't care for business place, me in a business place not. And trust me, the people were enjoying it. Even though I was giving it to her, I accept me to give it to that bitch. I even tell her, I say, babe, I bitch you up because me a celebrity, you're not. And I got a man and you ain't got none. Because she had to about man. How the man don't want you? Yes, him want me. The people on Facebook can't tell us they want me. Want me because me not mind him. From me know him, me never give him a dollar. From me know him, I never give him a dollar yet. Everybody for social media can say want me because one man in take up for me ass. You will know a man who want you when he take up for you. If a man don't want you, now bomb clock take up for you. Me not ask you. When a man want you, they're gonna take up for you. And I want you with him and take up for me. Because if me left it certain things to him, somehow no get some back so long time. Me not ask you. So when a man want you, gonna take up for you. When a man want you, they're gonna acknowledge you every day. When a man want you, every lunch break them get them going to call you. And the people them see that. So there's no hesitation that him want this body and him love this personality. You understand? I remember saying now fuck me every day. So I like someone who never live in man and I get sex every night. So he want me. He want me. Cause I like say me I throw me body at him 7 days a week. You understand? So he want me. So if you think them don't want this a hot girl road, they make a sad mistake. Cause me don't know what you think say. You think say me big, you think say me big like all the same on social media? A camera drop this ras. Me na big sir. So don't make this a camera fool you. Don't let this camera fool you, honey. These legs are nice and fluffy. Don't let the camera fool you. When you call her come up with your big fat ass, so I know, honey. No, honey, child. I am in the mid range of the sexy, fat, fluffy girls. Nice, beautiful skin and teeth. You sound like somebody just don't suck some spermy all night. Don't try it, honey. Don't try it. Me average. Average, honey. A lot of big girls that love to reach when me reach. Average, honey. Now, right here, honey. Look at that. Nice, beautiful legs. Me don't know where you talk. Drop the further coming up on the drawers. Right there, so on. Skin clean, pretty. You understand? Skin clean and pretty, honey. Yeah, that's what me can't big and swatty with them a nice firm leg. Yeah. Me can't big and swatty with them a leg. Yeah. Not a Ross. Not a Ross with them a leg. Yeah. Me can't big and swatty as on talk about them a nice pretty leg. Yeah. You understand? You understand? Me can't big and swatty with this a size leg. You understand? Not a backside. Not this a size leg. Not this a size leg, honey. Not this a size leg. Me can't big as swatty. The only thing me have a little eye belly. Me can't big as swatty with the size leg there. So nobody try it. Me can't big as swatty. See there? Don't let the camera fool you. Don't let the camera fool you, honey. Average. Me not even have one brazier. Look there. Look there. Me not Freddy. Not does you. Look here. No bra. The way man. Not a blood clot brazier me not have under my clothes. Because I don't need it. Because I'm confident like that. Make them drop and look pretty. Not even a blood clot train track. Not upon them. Look there. Look there. Look there. Not even. Look at them pretty. Look at the skin pretty. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Let go. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Just like that. Them Freddy. Them ready like a Freddy. Aha. Not even brazier me now wear. Mutless drawers. Cause me not have the leaky pussy. So me not have to come out of my house and I work for wear drawers and pad. Cause my pussy not leak. My pussy good. It feel like a virgin. So any man chat to me, them dick rise. Cause me have good pussy. My one open up like a blood clot tunnel like a few one. Yeah. My pussy not feel like a swamp. You don't feel like a mud hole. It just come when the love is there. When you kiss me and caress me, it just get wet. Otherwise, it's good to go. It only get wet and moist when you kiss me. Otherwise, it stay nice. You know, blood clot leak. No whiteness that coming on my jaws crotch. Nothing that run my foot. It only activates with love. Some good loving and kissing, caressing. Then it activates so it can ready for the work. Move your blood clot from here. So me say, she pussy blood clot ugly. Go suck out landlord blood clot, dirty pussy. I think no pussy clot. So me say. You make sure say a fake number you call pan. So me say. Go suck her out, go turn her upside down and suck out her dirty blood clot crotch. I think I'm moly. Don't call back my blood clot number. So me say. Go suck her out. Breakfast, lunch and blood clot dinner. Bumbo clot girl. So me say. I mean, I take back that pussy clot. Go suck out your man. I go suck out landlord dirty pussy clot. So me say. I don't call back my number. My number is for business. What the fuck you call up my number every minute for? Me sit down and do my little business. This little bitch ass blood clot. Little underprivileged blood clot. Pussy girl. Who blood clot get a girl a call my number every minute? Fuck off! I don't call back my bumbo pussy clot number, bitch. So me say. Because you not unhappy. You don't want other people to be unhappy. Get the fuck out of here. Me not unhappy. Me living on my means. Move from here so you call me number for. Why not call me number? Why I'm so angry? Because you have some non-mansiculated bitches. Them want people to come on social media. They want people to come on social media and disrespect me. And me, Marcia, can't be not supposed to defend myself. No what kind of sanky sing so? Eh? Me must come, they must disrespect me every day. 100 of them must sit down on the bumbo clock woman page and hear her and hear she discuss me. Because me a big blood clot deal. You understand? Them fi sit down on them page and hear this woman talk about me in a degrading way. Every day. But when me, sister, you see a cool on the backside. Don't turn off this backside, yeah. But when me come and defend myself now, me I get blame. Me whatever. Move your bomber clot from me, don't call back my bomber clot number. You piece of shit house. And I call back my number. You can't ask me to take up my phone. Girl, dirty data, you bigger. I just see a video on social media. You cannot call back my class. You so big and fat and this. No, I ain't big and fat. Me a regular fat. Me a regular fat. Attractive. Bomber clock girl. Too. And when you hear them reach up in the house stop. In my forehead. They could have lean this or they could have this or me is a bomber clock attractive woman, you can't stop me. You can't stop me none at all. None of you can't tell me nothing. Cause the whole of you on social media where you chat me on a big fat and sour too. But me know me smell clean and nice. But every time we not come about the man no want. The man no want to know. You see man want me, man no want to know. Who no see how no happy. I jealous how the man not calling no. Me sure no for no right and down there on social media. I have all husband. And husband that work all day. And don't even call a whole heap of no. And 7 days a week from me and that man attack. That man make sure say morning, lunch, breakfast and dinner. Me a hear from him. I remember say me a pick him up from work a night time. Remember say a weekend when him off pan him day off. Me and him a go park, go walk. We a go for lunch, we a go movie, we a go for dinner. So you gonna tell me say him don't want me? How was so fascinated with my pussy? After me don't want to know. Me tell you say me don't name crutch on it. So me don't know every time I compare talk about man no want me and man no want me. Him want me. Stick to the gun. Him don't want to. Una say a homeless man who me have. Eh? So una say a homeless man. Una say a homeless man. So what that cost me of a homeless man? The bumbo clot girl come on social media and get jealous because she come and see me looking so pretty, honey. Yes, me dear, looking so pretty. In my little cheap clothes. This a woman here brought down in the road. How is she brought down? Now when if accident she now. She brought down. Eh? This a vehicle in the immigrant road brought down. Watch ya. The woman I take picture. Let me come before police come block off the road. Then how you man the car? Yeah. Can you imagine? Out of order and bright. You don't have the channel on social media. Nobody don't know you. You don't have no blogging page. All the Ross, you come and call me and cuss me. Well, you don't know some me have supporters. Look, me know your voice and you always call and cuss me. Me know the voice there. You always dep on them page and calling for phone and a cuss. So what you expect? Because my supporter calling and done out our bumbo clot. Well, I give them 100 permission. Cuss out our pussy clot. Yes, me dear, cuss her out. You think so not gonna sit down on the page over there and talk about me like that? You must be crazy. Go get the fuck out of here, bitch. Boy, you send somebody come dash acid for me. Go dash it under your mama pussy clot. And that you fi go do. And go